Hi guys, my name is Tamara Henderson and this is Tamara Hair Care channel. So this is practically the first video that I am uploading on this channel, and on this channel it's gonna be all hair care videos. I've gotten so many compliments about my hair. I've gotten so many questions about my hair, and like everybody just want to know what shampoo you use, what conditioner you use, how do you get your hair to be so long, how do you get your hair to be so healthy, so thick, and your hair is relaxed. So I'm like, why not just make a channel talk strictly about my hair care journey and give you guys some good tips and tricks and products that I've been using that works for me, that doesn't work for me, and little tips and so that actually work and can help you to retain length and thickness and a healthier hair, right? Because we all want thicker, longer, healthier hair, right? Especially if your hair is processed like mine. My hair is relaxed, but the thing about my hair, it's relaxed, but I do not like bone straight relax my hair, because when you bone straight relax your hair, it's actually pretty fragile and it's easier to break and damage. Okay, so no, I like to have body, and I have to have like a little bounce to my hair, so I actually do not like straight hair. But for the sake of this video, I actually plaited my hair yesterday so I can show you guys my hair length. All right, so with all that being said, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you are interested in everything hair care. Okay, I have another channel which is my vlog channel, Tamara Henderson. I will put a link down below so you guys can go ahead and subscribe to that channel if you guys are interested in my life other than like hair videos. But on this channel, it's going to be specifically about everything hair care. If I try a new product, if you guys ask questions, Q&A videos, wash and go videos, wash their routine, products that I like, products that I don't like, as I said, tips and tricks, and like everything, just everything to do with hair care. You guys can comment down below what kind of video you guys would like to see, and I will definitely make it happen. Because listen guys, I am telling you, I did not always have this long healthy, thick, relaxed hair. Trust me, I did not always have this hair, and a lot of people feel like they can't have a healthy, long, relaxed hair. You can, trust me, I'm telling you, you can. Because when I was going to high school, I did not have a healthy, relaxed hair, period. Listen, I'm gonna show you guys some pictures of my hair when I was going to high school. It wasn't healthy at all, and I'm like, growing up, I'm like, after I may think maybe like 24, I started taking my hair more seriously. I started taking care of my hair more, because I used to neglect my hair a lot. Like, I didn't pay no attention, I didn't treat it, I did not do anything, I didn't trim my dead ends. And that's another thing too, guys. You got we tend to hold on to our dead ends because we want length, not knowing we're only causing more damage to our hair. So if you have dead ends, which means split ends, you got to get rid of them. In order to see healthiness, growth, you have to let go of those dead ends. But we will talk more on that in upcoming videos. But for today, I just want to introduce myself. As I said, my name is Tamara Henderson. I am currently 29 years old. I have a daughter, Rome, she is 6 months right now. And as I said, if you guys follow my vlog channel, you guys will know a lot more about me. That's where I put all my vlogs, day in my life, all about my baby Rome. I'm a new mom, first time mom, yes, yeah, me. Yeah, if you have any questions, comment down below. But remember guys, subscribe to my channel if you are interested in my hair care videos. All right, today I was actually planning on doing like a length check, because I haven't checked the length of my hair for a while now. I am due a relaxer. The last time I relaxed my hair was over 3 months now, and that's another thing too guys. I stretch my relaxer, like I stretch it out. I don't relax my hair too often, because the more you relax your hair, the thinner your hair gets. Okay, so you have to learn to relax, to stretch your relaxer. And also I will telling you guys, I'll be sharing tips on how to stretch your relaxer. What do I do when I stretch my relaxer? I relax my hair like twice a year, sometimes 3 times a year, and I will share tips and tricks how I deal with my two texture here, my natural hair texture and the relax end. I will share tips and tricks and protective style that I've been using that grow my hair tremendously, and all those good stuff about hair care. All right, so I just want you guys to come on this journey with me, because I am on my way to waist length. I want long, healthy, thick waist length relaxed hair. So that's my goal, and I want all you guys to come on this journey with me. So remember to subscribe to my channel so you guys do not miss out on any video that I post. I'll be posting videos every week. I'm thinking about the days. I'm thinking about every Friday for now. So every Friday I will drop a hair care video, so you guys can go into the weekend and know what to do with your hair. So as I said earlier, I am due a relaxer. The last time I relaxed my hair is over 3 months now, so I am definitely due a relaxer, but I'm not going to relax my hair until in the next month and a half from now, so I stretch it out. All right, but today yesterday I flat ironed my hair so I can actually do a length check. But the length that I'm gonna get, I'm not gonna be like hooray about it, because I need a trim. I haven't got a professional trim for so long, because I stretched my relaxer for a year when I was pregnant with my child. So I haven't got a trim for that entire year, and I still haven't gotten any trim yet, and I really need a trim. So I'm just gonna do the length check now, so you guys can have an idea what's my length at this point. But I will be getting a trim in the near future. As soon as I relax my hair, I get all dolled up, I'm gonna get a nice trim and we can, you know, go from there. If you even have like really short hair, I'm telling you guys, it's not impossible for you to have long, healthy, relaxed hair. I am telling you it. I used to think it's not possible, but I'm telling you guys, it's possible. It is possible if you take care of your hair. Some people like, oh, I didn't born to have long hair. I wasn't born to, like, ever since I know myself, my hair been short. Ever since I know myself, I've been trying to get longer hair and it never worked out. I always see people with long hair and I always admire them and blah 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 blah. Oh, some people like, oh, it's a genetic thing. All my family have short hair, so some of it may be, but a lot of people out there is not genetic. Okay, you guys just not taking care of your hair, period. But once you start taking care of your hair, believe me guys, you're gonna see improvement, and you're gonna see that you can actually have long, healthy, thick, relaxed hair, or even natural hair. If you're even natural, you can subscribe as well, because most of my product that I use is for all texture hair type. All right, so yeah, subscribe and let's grow longer, thicker, healthy hair on this channel together. All right, so let's go ahead and do a little length check. Okay, so here I have a ruler. I wanted like a measuring tape, but I don't have any, so I am just gonna use the ruler. The ruler is from 1 to 12 inches and 1 to 30 centimeters. So we're gonna use the inches. I know the front of my hair is a little shorter than like this side is the longest, I believe. Like the side of my head is like the longer section, and the back is kind of long too, but like I feel like the sides are the longest length. You know, see what I'm saying? So let's check. Okay, so let's start out with the front. Let's try right here. Like the immediate front right here. Let's see. So one. Let's start right here. So one. Oh, so this is actually like 2 this actually buck, like right here is the 12 inches, and then I go from here to here, which is about 7 more. Well, these are dead ends here, so I don't know if you guys can see. So I go down to the next 8 inches right here. So 12 and 8, oh my god, that's 20 inches. So the front of my hair is 20 inches. Wow, I did not know it was that long. As I told you guys, I've been doing a length check for so long. So let's try, well, let's try like up top here and see. Okay, so that's it right there, right here. All right, so that's 12, and then 12 to here, that's 9, that's 9 right here, so that's 21 inches up top. I have sweaty hands as well, guys. That's something you need to know about me. I have sweaty hands. Okay, so let's go down to the end where I think it's like the longest part, like the side of my head right here. I think it's the longest. Okay, let's go. Let's see. So this is right here to here, that's 12, and then from here to here, that's like 7. I don't know if you guys can see it. So that's like 19 inches right here, but I thought it was like a longer part of my head. Okay, let's try the back. Wait, the back. Alright, let's try down here. Okay, so it's like right here to here, that's 12, and here to here, that's another 7. That's 19 inches at the back here. So wow, it's actually longer than I thought. But then I'm gonna, like, as I tell you guys, I'm gonna get a trim, so then I'll think I'm gonna take off like to right here, because all this, guys, trust me, it's dead ends. You have to get rid of these because I haven't gotten a trim for so long. So then I will be left with this nice thick, see that, with this nice thick part. So I'm going to trim off right here. So I'm going to trim right here because this is definitely dead ends, as I said, and then I'm left with this nice thick bouncy. See that? Nice and thick and bouncy. So let me show you guys my hair. You guys can have an idea what's my hair like. See that? And then when I put it at the side, it's under my boob right here. Yeah, so there you have it, guys. I share with you guys my hair and the length of my hair and what this channel will be all about. So if you like what you see and if you're interested in going on this long, healthier, thicker, relaxed, or even natural hair journey, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you get notified when I drop a new video and you do not miss out on my weekly videos. Okay, see you guys in the next one. Bye.